Hi guys, we are live. Can you all hear me? I am extremely nervous. This is a big step and I'm super excited. Um, I Before we start, I want to give a brief introduction about Priya Mani. Firstly, I want to tell you how excited I am about this and also the reason as to why I'm excited. Priya has been associated with wood for quite some time. But the thing that really got on to my attention was the fact that she really resonated with our brand. You know, Oud is all about being free spirited, bohemian, and yet simple. And that's what really attracted to me also towards Priya. And we are very excited to be speaking to her in person and getting to know her a little bit. I'm going to give a brief introduction now. Priya has worked in Tamil, Telugu, Kannada, and Malayalam language films, so that's a lot. She has also won a national award. She's won a couple of Filmfare awards. Uh, Priya has been part of the Hindi cinema, and she's done movies like Ravan, and we're super excited because she's soon going to be debuting with Ajay Devgan in her next movie, which is called Maidan, and hopefully we will get to speak to her about that movie too. And she's extremely active in the South television and lots of South shows, where she's been a judge even in dance reality shows in the South. And yes, her most recent success is The Family Man opposite Manoj Bajpayee. So we're going to speak to her about that too. Super excited about this. So Priya, if you're online and if you've joined, can you ask for a request so that we can join you in? It'll be lovely now for you to come into the frame. So Priya, waiting for you to send us a request so that we can join you in. Are you live? Are you on, Priya? So we're just going to be waiting for Priya to be here. Yes, her request has come through. Yes, we're waiting for her.
Hi,
Hello.
hi, how are you?
Finally. Good.
Finally.
It's so nice to see your face in real.
Finally, it's nice to see you too after such a long, I would say, association.
Yes, and big, big, big thank you and a virtual hug for doing
Aw,
this.
say thank you. Thank you
So,
for having me in
firstly,
this live.
thank you. You're so welcome. So, Priya,
Tell me.
firstly,
Yes,
congratulations on the Family Man, and
thank you.
everybody's waiting for season two.
Thank you. Thank
I
you so
must
much.
tell you, my inbox was flooded with people telling me, please ask her when is season two releasing.
No, that's the first thing which all the people will ask anytime I go live with anybody on Instagram or anything. The first thing they ask is when is Family Man season 2 coming out? So I would like to tell everybody that I think it should most probably come out by around November or December because of this
Great.
the situation that we're currently in right now.
Yeah,
The post-production work is happening, so it should come out by around November or December, is what we are
great.
saying, but we're hoping. Because I'm also very eagerly waiting for for season 2.
And we are sure it's going to be worth the wait.
Yeah, I hope so. Fingers crossed.
So few questions.
Hmm.
Um, how do you manage both the film industries, South and Hindi, together? Is it difficult, or is there a difference, or it's not really that different?
No, actually, for me, it's not that very difficult because, fortunately, I have my manager, who's there in Hyderabad, who handles all my films in the South, and my husband is there and who manages my work in Hindi. So I don't have an official manager per se. So my husband is the one who looks after my dates in Hindi, and
But nothing
so
like
they
family, right?
exactly. And even my manager also, I mean, I've been working with him for the last like I think, 10 years or something. He's been my manager in the South. So anything is there, we just call him up and say, Hari, this is the thing. I've already given the dates for so and so. I've already given the dates this much. So between this and this, I'm already committed. So, you give the rest to whichever film follows and things like that in the South. So I think it's been a very healthy relationship so far. And I'm fortunate that I've been able to manage all the, handle the dates pretty easily so far. And there have been no problems as such. But even if it was there, I'm sure, I mean, we've spoken it out with the respective, the industry or the respective movies, or even if it's a web series or whichever. And I'm very happy to say that at least the people that I've worked with, they've been very considerate enough to, accommodate the dates and things like that. So for me, as I said, I mean, I've had a fabulous working relationship with everybody. So they obviously understand when, you're tied up in some other work or something like that, or the dates are pushing, I mean, they get postponed here and there. So I'm really fortunate that, people have been, they've been really accommodative so far.
Yeah,
I've not had any problems with them.
great. Touch wood.
Yeah,
Hope
touch
this
wood, yeah.
continues. Yes.
Yeah.
Also, as a layperson, want to understand, is there a difference in your work style when you're shooting for a web series versus a film?
See, working style as such is pretty much the same, I would say. Apart from the fact that, yes, when you're working in a web series, I mean, obviously the experience that I've had so far, um, it's a little faster in a web series, I can say, because simultaneously you're shooting with two cameras and you're doing like about 5, 6 scenes a day. And, obviously because it is sync sound also, so there's pin drop silence, nobody is allowed to talk when you're talking and things like that. And even when the actors are rehearsing, also generally people are very quiet. Um, so that is one difference what I've seen in a web series. Obviously, as I said, because it's sync sound, and but otherwise, in a normal working situation, you have a lot of people. Sorry, you'll have a lot of people just yelling and saying, "Arey ye karo, wo karo," and all that. But another thing I've noticed that in the north, people usually, they have their walkie-talkies, their respective walkie-talkies with their respective departments. So in that way, in a way, also, that is also quiet because they talk to their respective teams, their respective people, and they have their particular channels that they talk to. Like probably you can say the direction department is one, channel one or something, and then some camera would be two, and something else would be three. So, so each department has their own, what do you say? The channel so which they talk to. So in that way, I can say
Yeah,
that North is a little,
maybe it's more
they
organized.
no, in a way, I mean, I would say no. South is also very organized in a way. I can say that we start early. We start at about like we start shooting at 8:30 in the morning. We're already on the set. We're ready. We start shooting. Whereas in the North, I have seen that generally it's like a 9 to 9 call sheet. But 9 o'clock bolenge to by the time people come, they settle in and things like that. We'll
Yeah,
start shooting by 10 o'clock and things
yeah.
like that.
Huh.
So, but South is not like that. If they fix a time, we actually start shooting maybe about 15,
Wow.
20 minutes, maybe here and there. So in that way, in time, I think I would say South is a little faster. We start shooting a little faster.
Okay. What has been one of your most favorite experiences during a shoot? Something that you remember always, something that happened on the set, you know,
Mm,
something interesting that has stuck on to you.
Actually, if you ask me, like that, there are a lot actually. I mean, just the because I remember like initially when I joined the industry, the sheer what do you say? The excitement of going to new places, going abroad,
Yeah,
to all these exotic places where you've just probably seen it online or
yeah,
heard about it, but then when you
mm,
actually go and experience, go to that place and experience how it is, how the people are, how the atmosphere is, how the beautiful locations are. I think that is what lasts more than anything else. And another thing is when you go abroad to shoot, you have a lesser crew. So you have to do
yeah,
everything yourself. You have to help them out
yeah,
and things like that. So
yeah.
in that way, I think that is what has lasted with me. And I still remember, I think my very first film in Tamil was called Kanglal Kaidasai, which means, to captivate with the eyes. That's the meaning of
Mm.
the title. And my mom used to accompany me. And unfortunately, at that time, we had a cook along as well.
Okay.
And that guy, unfortunately, did not know how to. I think he knew only how to like cut vegetables and things like that. And he didn't know how to cook and things like that. So my mom stepped in, and she used to make like sambar and rasam and
Wow.
rice and everything. So she and the director's brother, they used to go shop. They used to come in the morning. I mean, morning used to be, we used to have like whatever was there in the hotel, like bread and
Mm.
whatever.
Mm.
And then we used to leave for shoot. And then she used to never come. She used to accompany me for like half an hour. She used to be there on the set, and then she'd be like, "Okay, I'm going shopping." I'm like, "Where are you going shopping?" So no, I have to go cook for the entire unit. So she used to
Yeah.
head back for cooking. She used to all the vegetarian stuff. Obviously, she used to cook, and the non-vegetarian like the chicken, wicken, and all the director's brother used to help out in cooking and all. My mom she doesn't cook non-veg, so she used to make
I'm
all
sure
the
she
things.
misses it. I'm so sure she misses
She
it.
no, actually, in fact, I think she's found her. She's happy being at home and being with mom also. I mean, being with my family, like being with dad and thing because initially for the first I think like almost 8 9 years she used to accompany me for shoot, and I remember at that point of time my brother was not married. So, it was just two guys, like my dad and my brother and my grandmom, that's my dad's mother, who were there at home. And just two guys, how would they handle the whole
That's
house kind of a thing?
yes.
So after my brother got married, I told my mom, I said, okay, now you stay at home and I will handle the whole shoot and things like that. So even now, sometimes when I go abroad for shoot and things like that, sometimes I take her if she is willing to come. Otherwise, my husband is always there, so he comes and he's there to
Yeah.
handle the whole
So,
thing.
Priya, also want to know, were you always sure you wanted to get into film?
Actually, no. Um, I actually thought I would get into either air hostess, I would become an air hostess, or I wanted to do hotel management. But never ever did I think that I would get into this line. But as you say, destiny, I think,
Yeah.
it writes another
Yeah.
thing for you. So I think it was always my probably it was my destiny that I had to join the industry and things like that. So I don't know, whatever was
Well,
written here, I guess.
well, we are happy. We're not complaining. So,
I'm also happy. Thank you so much for I just love all your clothes that you give. I must say, like,
thank you.
extremely comfortable, and I have to thank Mehak for that because obviously she's the being the the mediator
Yeah,
between
that
us
is
to
my
help us
next
out with the thing.
question.
Yeah.
I want to know how you met Mehek and what is your equation with her?
Oh, she's my love. I always, whenever, I mean, I'm sure you would have also noticed in the posts that I put
Yes.
that I have to
Yeah.
thank her because she's my love. I think, the very first time we met, I think we hit it off really well because I remember the first time I met her was obviously when she styled for me for Chennai Express song 1234. And
Yeah.
I remember it was at Rohit's office. It was in Rohit's office, and I just finished the narration for the song, when Rohit had just explained it to me. And immediately he said, just listen to the song. So the moment I heard the song in his office, in comes Mehek. She walks in, and then Rohit's like, okay, this is my sister. She's going to style for you. I said, okay. And then she said, she took my measurements, and then she said, okay, you know what? I'm thinking of this. I said, listen, Mehek, first and foremost, I am not sure about the material. I don't know the name. I don't know anything. I said, just make me look good. I'm more than happy. So she said, okay, so this is what I'm looking at. And so she discussed the color pattern with Rohit and things like that. And then I remember after that, I was in Hyderabad, I was shooting there. So very sweet of her. She actually flew all the way to Hyderabad and we did a costume trial with the makeup, the whole trial with the makeup thing and all that. And she wanted to see how it looked. And so that was the first, that dress that you see during that song, Chennai Express. So we tried all that. And then I told her what all I would like to, um, my in what I was comfortable in and things like that. So she very what do I say? She understands because I've never had a proper stylist before Mehek came into my life. And I must say, from Chennai Express till now, whatever I do like any, be it my personal thing or be it obviously for films and some films, obviously Mehak has styled for me. Even these shows that I do right now from my promotions and everything. The first person I call is, or I, even if I ask anything, the first person is Mehak. And so I'm like, listen, I have this. So how do I style it? So please help me out. So some of my airport looks and all, she's the one who has told me, like, you wear this, wear this shoes, put this. So she always helps me out with, even my personal clothes also. So I just send her random pictures of the stuff and I'm like, listen, this is the thing. So please help me out. So then she'll help me out. So I must say that I have to obviously give her credit for half of, making me look so good with all the clothes that you all provide. So I have to thank her for that.
But I'm not surprised because you know, so quickly, even I have developed such a fondness for Mehek.
Yeah.
So I am not surprised that,
I think that is her USP, she just gets along with a lot of people, and then I think
yeah.
I connect with her in another level because both of us are, we have this connective, we connect in another different level. I don't know how to explain that here because so many people are seeing. So yeah, Mehek is online. Yay, Mehek! Uh,
Yes.
yeah, poor thing. I think she's very nervous because it's the first time she's going to come live on Instagram, and
Of course.
people are actually going to see Mehek, the face behind, the one who's styling me, and because they've only seen
We
her
are
name on
so
my
happy.
posts. Yeah, they've only
Yes.
seen her name on my posts, and half of them message me saying, "Who is this Mehek? Who is this Mehek? Who is this Mehek?" So I'm very happy to say that a lot of people are actually going to see Mehek, the face behind the person who styles me
Yes.
for all my
I,
shows and everything.
I must tell you, I had to ask her 2 to 3 times to send a picture of hers to put it up on my post.
Mm.
She was, so I know she's nervous.
Yeah, poor thing. She's very shy first and foremost. I don't think she's very camera friendly. And
Mm.
already 10 times she's told me, she's like, I'm so nervous. I don't know how I'm going to come on this live. I said, just be yourself. You'll be fine.
Yeah.
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 So
Um,
yeah. So I can say that.
Another thing, yeah,
Yeah.
go ahead, go ahead.
No. I'm just happy that Mehek has finally said yes to her very first Instagram live, people. So I would just like to tell all the people who are watching, please shower her all your love, and even Yuti also. Thank you so much for
Thank
having me part of this live, and
yeah.
I'm so happy that Mehek is coming online, so people will actually get to see my love.
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
So, moving on to the next question. Everybody is just curious how it is to shoot during COVID. Like, is it hard? What are the rules? What's happening on the set?
See, I can only talk about the reality show that I'm shooting for right now. It's called D, which is a Telugu reality show in Hyderabad. As opposed to what was when before the COVID, before the pandemic hit, to what it is now, it's completely different. I can
Mhm.
definitely say, I think, see, obviously now wearing masks and putting sanitizers is the new normal. I don't think that's going to go anytime. It's not going to go away anytime soon.
Hmm.
And so while we were shooting, obviously, one thing I can say is, see, we don't have a live audience per se. So the audience basically
Hmm.
are, the families of the dancers who come in, or their friends, and all the people, and sometimes the sponsors come in, sometimes their families come in, and things like that. So now all that has been reduced. We don't have a lot of people. Okay, for example, maybe initially we might have had like about 150 people or 200 people working on set, be it from the production boys to the caravan boy to vanity boys to the assistants to dancers to everything. So right now, I think I can say from what was, like, say, for example, like 150, I think we've reduced to about like maybe 80, 90 people. That's a
Oh,
drastic
yeah.
thing, actually. Even then, I must say, I can say that everybody who comes on the set obviously wear masks. They have, we have a big sanitizer machine. So when we walk, every time we walk in and out of the set, we are sanitized. Temperature is being checked and everything. So in a way, I think yes, precautions have been taken. But I don't know about the movies because I haven't seen any movie shoots as of now. I mean, they are happening, yes. But I'm sure that, safety precautions are being taken. But I think even the bigger movies, I think they will probably take a little time to start.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So that is yes. And we want to know a little bit about your personal style of clothing. How would you dress?
I
How do you dress when you're not in front of the camera? Just
I
when
wish
you're
I
going
could
out.
I wish I could show you my attire right now, but then half the people they'll be shocked out of their lives.
No, what
See,
I mean is like when you're just going out for a casual dinner or you're out with your husband, it's your time of feeling happy. You know.
I would, my usual style is jeans and t-shirt. I'm very happy in a jeans and t-shirt. But I think half the thing, Mehek, if you ask her, she'll also tell you that half the time, she'll always keep telling me, please dress up properly, please. My husband also keeps crying half the time. I think I think they must have been like, in the past life, I think they must have been brother and sister again because they both exactly know how to, they'll be like, okay, don't wear this, this, and they both are in so much sync more than me and Mehek. I can say my husband and Mehek are so much in sync because they're like, no, this color doesn't suit you. Wear this dress, wear this, dress up. I'm like, Arey yaar, listen, but I don't like, I mean, personally, I'm not that very, I don't give much of importance to dressing up that much. Maybe, as I said, I'm comfortable in a jeans and t-shirt or maybe like a sweatshirt and jeans. But when I'm at home, I'm like in a track pant and top. Like as of now, you can see I'm in a sweatshirt and track pant right now when I'm at home. But that is me,
Hmm.
I don't like until and unless whatever the occasion demands. Again, if it's like if I'm attending an award show or if I'm attending like an inauguration or if I'm doing any like a reality show like this, the first person I call is Mehek, and I'm like, listen, I have such a thing, so please help me out. So she does.
Hmm. Hmm. Okay.
So yeah, so it all, and then she sends me a series of dresses, pictures of dresses, and she's like, "Aap choose karo." I'm like, okay. So I'll be like, oh, see, basically, I can say that I also sort of follow what is in trend and things like that. And then there are some which I think you should just, your instinct just says, let's just do it,
Yeah.
because obviously she
Yeah.
being a stylist and ultimately it's like my comfort, what, you guys look
Yeah.
at. And so she's like,
I
aap
think
decide
also,
karo.
I think also she understands your personality because
Correct.
even if whatever Mehak has always chosen from me also for you
Yes,
has
yes.
always been of a particular type,
Correct. Correct.
genre,
Because
which
I
is a
always tell
little,
her, yeah, the thing is because my first thing is I always tell be it, even if it's not Mehek and anybody else also, the first thing I say is I want to look classy yet elegant yet sexy. I don't want to look over the top glamorous. I don't want to look very
yeah.
sexy. I don't want to look very behenji kind of a thing. But it has to be classy yet elegant and it has to be, oh my God, Piyush, sorry, is one of my contestants in my show,
Yeah, yeah, of
Gongura.
course.
Piyush. So this is a song which he sang for the show. So anyway, so as I was saying, I just tell them that, I want to look classy yet elegant, yet sexy. It's not, I don't want to look like, over the top, like ultra glam and things like that. So
Yeah.
then she knows what, because obviously she's also a girl, so she also understands, your comfort level, what the artist has
Yeah.
to, think. And then off the thing she sends me, and then she also sometimes addresses that, if not from you, from anybody else also, if she sends, sometimes the first question what both of us will, text each other is, oh, what about, the length of the dress? Is that too short or is it too long? Will it look too this? So she's like, नहीं आप ये कर सकते हो, वो कर सकते हो, ऐसा कर सकते हो.
Mhm.
Sometimes if I feel that the choli, the blouse or the thing is too short, like if it's a crop top, if it's too short, so I'll be like, listen, Mehak, I think it's a little too short. What can we, how can
Hmm.
we go about it? So she's like, हाँ kar sakte hain, let's see how it is and things like that. So in a way, I feel, as I said, she's also a girl, so she understands my comfort level, and so I can definitely say that I think Mehak is the best thing that has ever happened in my life so far, and I'm so happy that I came across her.
And a little bit about your next movie with Ajay Devgan. So,
I don't think
Can
I'll be
you?
able to talk about it right now
Okay.
because we're still
So
shooting for it. As in, my
yeah.
portion is done. Oh, Jake.
Hmm.
JK. My portion in the film is done, but they still have a bit of work to do. So, unfortunately, I'm still bound by contract, so I can't talk about
Okay.
it right
I get
now.
it. Yes.
Mehek is saying she's crying. Don't worry, Mehek. Now next is your turn. So when you talk, I will listen to what you say. But yeah, so all I can say is it's going to be a nice film, and people will. I mean, it's going to be a different film, so people will
So
like
it's
it.
called Maidan, right? That
It's
much
called
we know.
Maidan. Yes, it's
Yeah.
called Maidan, and it's with Ajay sir.
Okay.
And I've had a fantastic time working with Ajay sir. That's all I can say at the moment because I'm
Yes.
not allowed to
Okay.
reveal more
Yes.
about it.
Yes. Okay. So we wish you all the best, and we are
Thank you.
eagerly waiting for season two. That is number one on our list.
Neat. I'm also waiting for season two. I'm dying. I think we just had a Zoom call pretty recently because it was Raj's birthday. So we were all saying Raj and DK sir both. I was like, when is season two coming out? When is season two coming out? So at the moment, they're saying that most probably by November or December it should come out.
Hmm. Great.
Oh, Raju.
And
Hi, Raju. Hello now. Yeah, sorry. I'm just
no
answering all
problem.
the things what my
Of
my
course.
my
Of
followers are
course. Of
saying.
course.
So
Please,
yeah.
please, please do. It's just unfortunate that we can't have three of us together because that would have been a
I
riot.
know, I know.
So,
Yadu, your hair looks so good. You'll see it day after tomorrow, Yadu, when you're coming home. You'll see this. I cut my hair again. So, yeah, I know,
okay.
unfortunately, I need to complete season. पीयूष तुमने नहीं देखा है तो बात मत कर. पहले देख season 1, फिर उसके बाद season 2 देखना when it comes out. Yeah, so sorry.
Yeah.
Um,
So, yes,
yeah, so
I'm going
yeah,
to
because
ask.
unfortunately, Instagram has only like 2 people at a time. So,
Yeah.
you know, as she was saying, Mehak was also telling me, it's like, can't 3 people come in at a time. I said, no, three can't come in at a time because
Yes.
unfortunately, Instagram is only like, 2 people at a time. So she said, yeah, okay. So, Mehak, I'm waiting for you to come live.
So,
I can't
Mehak,
wait.
I'm waiting for her to send in the invite. How does this
No,
work,
that's only
Priya? I
after
mean,
I think only after I disconnect, then she will be able
okay.
to send you
So,
the thing.
Priya, unfortunately, as much as we are enjoying this, uh, we are on a strict time. So,
Yes,
yes,
yes.
I'm hoping to see you again sometime soon.
हाँ,
And
Mehak is writing. Mehak, one sec. Mehak is writing. Take your time. I'm in no rush. Sorry, Mehak. Now मेरा time हो गया. आपका time आ गया है अभी. So now
yeah,
people will definitely see the face behind the one who's styling me, and half my Instagram posts are all about her only, saying my love, Mehak. Sorry, I won't say my love. I would say my love. That's how I write. Hello, you.
yes.
So I will take leave from here so that you and Mehak can talk. And I would
Thank
just like to
you.
tell
Thank you
all the
so much.
followers, whoever, I'm sorry I've not said hi, hello to each and everybody who's online right now. But thank you so much for coming online, and thank you so much for seeing this live. And Yuti, thank you so much. Would love to wear more of, how do you pronounce your brand? Ud? Ud?
So we are Ud, yes, Ud. It's a Hindi word
Ud.
which means
Okay.
to fly.
Yeah.
Ud. Yes.
Fly. Yeah. Yeah. So I'm looking forward to wearing more of Oud, and looking forward to more associations with you.
Yes, same here.
Bye. Take care. Thank you, and thank you for such wonderful clothes that you've sent so far. Looking forward to
Thank you.
wearing more
You're
of Oud.
welcome. You're welcome. We are looking forward to.
Thank you. Bye bye. And bye everybody who's
Bye.
joined live. And please do support Mehek because she's going to come live next with
Yes,
Yuti.
we are
So
waiting for
please,
Mehak.
everybody, please be online and show all your support to my love, my stylist, my Meheki. So please, everybody, support her. Bye.
Thank you.
Bye bye.
So now we're waiting for Mehak. Mehak, are you going to send me an invite to join in? I'm waiting for you. If you're hearing this, Mehak, I'm going to tell you a little bit about Mehak. She's had 10 years of experience already in the industry. She started off her career as an assistant designer for a big designer called Vikram Fadnis. And since then, for her, there has been no looking back. She worked as costume designers for several movies. in South as well as the Hindi cinema. She's done movies like Bol Bachchan. She's styled several celebs. Though Mehak prefers costume designing to styling, and we're going to understand the difference as soon as she comes online. So, Mehak, please do send an invite to join in. Are you on? We know she's on because she's been leaving a lot of comments. And yes, so now we're just going to be waiting for Mehak to join in. Mehak, we're waiting for your invitation. Are you on? So we're just going to wait for her. Any questions you guys have? Uh, we, sorry, just, I don't see. She says she has sent an invite, but I don't see it. Sorry guys, just give me 5 minutes. Yes. So she's going to be on soon, waiting for Mehak. Mehak, hi, finally.
Finally, hi. Hi,
So Mehak,
everyone. Hi.
we are so happy that you agreed to do this.
Yeah, damn this live chat. How are
So,
you?
Mehak, thank you. It's been nice, and thank you for organizing this between Priya and me. It was lovely chatting with Priya, and it is all thanks to
Yeah,
you.
she's lovely, na?
Yes,
I
absolutely.
told you, I told you.
So yes, Mehak, I'm going to start with some questions because everyone wants to know a little bit about you too.
Hey,
Um,
Yadu. Hi. I just say hi to everyone.
yes, please.
Hi, 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 hi.
So,
Hi.
um,
Finally, yeah.
is Priya online? Is she looking at you?
I can't see Priya online.
She will. She definitely will.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Hi.
Mehak, I'm going to start with tell us about
Hi. My husband is
tell us
online.
about your association with Priya. How did that happen?
Uh, like Priya just told you, it happened on Chennai Express, and the best part is, and what a coincidence, Chennai Express completed 7 years just day before yesterday.
Okay,
Eighth,
lovely.
eighth. Yeah, today is what? Yeah, eighth August. So I'm like, yeah, that's how I met her. We've completed the 7 year age, Priya. We have crossed it already.
Wow.
Yeah. So
Um,
yeah, since
Mehak,
2000, I think 13 Jan to 2020. That would.
yes,
It's a great association with her. She's
yeah,
my family. I can't say more, about
yeah,
like
absolutely.
Priya
It
के बारे में
sums
क्या
it up.
बोलूं?
Huh.
Yeah.
How did you find out about Oud?
The thing on Instagram,
You just
I think
stumbled
on
across.
Instagram. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Um,
I think on Instagram.
Also, I want to know from a stylist perspective, what is it that you like about Oud?
I love everything about Wood UT. I just love the color combination that y'all use, the fabric, because I am a handloom person. I like cottons, I like, mull, I like voile. These are my fabrics. So when I see wood, and I love colors, so wood is a perfect, blend of everything. The texture, the prints that you use, it's just super. And
Do
that
you have
catches the
any
eye. The
favorite?
first, the colors and the everything. Sorry,
No,
sorry.
no, go ahead. Go ahead. Go
No,
ahead.
tell me.
I want to know if you have any favorite actors or celebs that you like to work with, apart from Priya. Of course, Priya's
Uh,
family. Now that's not counted.
No, Priya to रहेगी lifelong. Even if she doesn't want, I'll be there only. Uh, I don't have any such actors to work with. I have a huge list of directors, but yeah, having said that, there are two people I really I just love their style, and since childhood I've admired them. One being Shushmita Sen, and one Tabu ma'am. these are the two personalities, and I just love them. Their aura is something else, you know. It's just,
Yeah,
I feel it's very magical the way they carry themselves, especially Shushmita ma'am.
yeah,
She's stunning. So yeah, that's a
yes,
dream.
yes. I'm sure you'll get there very soon, Mehak,
Yeah, you
because you're
only,
so
Priya, will
talented.
always be there.
Also,
Tell me.
Mehak, can you explain us what is really the difference between styling and costume designing? How does it work?
Come again?
Okay. We want to understand what is the difference between styling and costume designing.
You think costume designing is you're creating costumes, for a character based on the story in the film. So basically,
Okay.
you are elaborating the character. Costume elaborates the character, and there are many aspects to it. Obviously, the director's choice. Then you have to see the background. You see the cinematography. You see whether it's day or it's night. So there are many aspects related to costume designing. Whereas, styling is, I feel it's an amalgamation of, beautiful clothes, jewelry, footwear, put together, and then, you're all set to go for the event or any appearances that an actor makes. So there's a huge difference.
So, just to understand this, while you are, you know, uh, designing for a character,
Hmm.
the costumes and that's not styling. That's different because that's to do with the character.
Yeah. See, in costume designing, also, we do buy stuff, ready stuff. It's not that we don't buy ready stuff or everything is
Mhm.
being created. Also, like I said, it all depends on the story that you're working on. If a story is a very modern story, and if you have the freedom of, you can buy clothes from the store, like the ready-made one. But uh, if it's a period film, you're creating a look, you
Correct.
create that
Yeah.
look.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
yeah. That's
So,
all
what do
work
you
done
enjoy
in
more?
costume designer. दोनों ही मेरे काम है यार. I love both, but I prefer costume designing.
I think it
That's that's
involves
that's
much
more
more
fun, yeah.
research.
Yeah, yeah, that's
Yeah,
more
it's more
fun.
challenging. Yeah.
More challenging. You discover a lot about costumes when you while working. Like when I work with my husband, he's online, so yeah, he's
Hello.
watching it, and uh, so it's yeah, there's too much goes into costume designing. It's not very easy when, like, there many people has, I don't know, this is a misconception. I don't know what they feel कि बहुत ही easy है करना, कपड़े ले लो और बना लो. No, it's not that. Yeah, it's not that. It's very difficult, and there's too much. Uh, Too much has gone into making a costume. Day and night काम करना. And there has been times when we work on a shoot or a movie, there is, last minute requirement, and we just run and rush, how are we going to do it? And there have been times that आपको एक basic white shirt भी नहीं मिलता है. Otherwise, you just every day you come across a white shirt, but when you need it, you don't find it. So it's difficult. It's not like styling. Styling, I feel कहीं ना कहीं से manage हो ही जाता है.
Simpler. Yeah.
Yeah,
But
much simpler, much simpler,
yeah,
much simpler.
your so, maybe one or two favorite projects like costume designing if you have to name and why.
That I've done.
Yes, that you've done.
My first two movies will always be my favorite. Bol Bachchan.
And
I had done costumes for Prachi and Archana ma'am, and Businessman. That's for Kajal Agarwal. Dilwale for Kriti, and also Singham Returns, because I had done all the principal female characters. Because, and also a movie called Raid, because it was
yeah,
1982, I think,
yes.
1982,
Period
and
film
so
house.
we were creating a period, and I
Yeah.
and my husband, we fought a lot. कि ऐसा मत करो, ये नहीं होना चाहिए, तब ऐसा होता था, तब वैसा होता था. So yeah, so I think these four, I think. Yeah.
So I think it's a lot of learning, right? A lot of research goes कि तब क्या
Yes,
materials use होते
yes,
थे, fashion
yes,
में क्या था. So
yes.
you will have a set of tailors or karigars who are willing to make sometimes things for you, right?
Last minute also. Last minute
Okay.
also. बेसिकली कॉस्ट्यूम डिजाइनिंग का आई थिंक जो भी अगर देख रहे होंगे दे अग्री विथ मी, इट्स ऑल लास्ट मिनट वर्क. लास्ट मिनट इतने चेंजेस होते हैं दैट यू विल बी लाइक यू गो क्रेजी कि यार अब ये कैसे करेंगे, एंड वी डोंट हैव टाइम एंड यू हैव टू दैट डेडलाइंस के टुमारो. देयर हैव बीन टाइम्स दैट वी हैव टू गिव द क्लोथ्स एंड कल शूट हो रही है, दैट ट्रैवलिंग यू हैव टू गिव क्लोथ्स, टाइम पे पहुंचना है, कल वो एक्टर को पहनना है. सो देयर इज टू मच that goes into costume designing. Too much.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And I want to know if you have any advice for young stylists and costume designers who are trying to make it in the industry. Something that you've learned which is valuable and you want to pass that on, you know.
I feel Yuti is just that, just be yourself, be patient, This field requires a lot of patience. Like my husband, he keeps telling me always, don't cry if you don't, you didn't get any work. It's okay. If it's meant to be, तो हो जाएगा.
It'll
नहीं
come to
होगा
you.
तो ठीक है. Yeah, कुछ और आएगा. But ठीक है यार. It's okay. Just be yourself and don't follow the crowd. Just be yourself and don't get lost on the crowd.
Yeah.
Just be
Yeah.
yourself. That's what is going to, stay with you. Just be yourself
And
and
also
have
since
patience.
your husband has been in this industry also and is so experienced, does it make it easier for you and then harder because then you have two strong minds fighting?
It's very hard.
Yeah.
It is very hard. Yeah. He's my worst critic and he's always there. He appreciates me also because of his support. I do a lot of things, but it's not very easy pleasing him. No, he'll be like,
Hmm.
no, he's been working like, I think it's been 30 years that he's working. He started off with an assistant and then his journey to be now he's a very established costume designer now. So it's very difficult to please him. Oh,
But you're the boss
yay!
in the house, so it's okay.
Yeah, but I listen to him. But we fight a lot. Yeah, at times he'll be like, नहीं ऐसा नहीं करना है, नहीं वैसा नहीं करना है, आपको पता नहीं है. तो yeah होता है. But I think that's the best part. Yeah, I think
Yeah,
तभी you get the
absolutely.
result. Yeah.
Yeah,
So I'm
yeah.
very
There's someone
fortunate
to
that we
push
have a
you.
partner like him. Yes,
Yeah,
yes, always. He's always there. He's always there.
great.
He's always there.
So, yes, I mean, Mehak, I think we're going to say bye from here, unless you want to kind of, talk about something that I have missed
I think
out
I'll
on.
just say hi to everyone. People are just saying hi. All my family is here. They're just all my cheerleaders, basically. I
Yeah,
can't read
that's
their
very.
comments.
Yeah,
Thank
so
you
for
so
some
much,
reason, I
Priya.
can't read the comments too right now.
Yeah. Megha. Hi, Meghu. Thank you so much. Hi, Seems. Thank you so much. Hi, Ikra. She was like, Mehak, ho jayega, you'll do it. Thank you so much.
Absolutely.
My niece is here. Thank you so much.
You did it so
Thank
easily,
you so
Mehak.
much. Thank you so much, Yuti. Thank you so much. Thanks to all of you. Thank you, Sumaya. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, Mehak,
Thank
for
you.
being here and hoping to work with both of you soon.
Yeah, my husband is saying, say bye and talk to me. Thank
Sure,
you so
the
much,
next
Yuzu.
lineup.
Thank you for all the clothes that you've given. Without any fuss, without showing any tantrums to me. You've
Not at
been
all.
really sweet to me. Thank you so much. Thank you
Likewise.
so much.
Thank you.
And I
See
can't
you.
thank Priya enough. She's always been there for me. I just love her. I just love
Yes.
her. Thank you so much,
And
Priya. Thank you so much. And thank you so much,
thanks,
Yuti.
guys. Thank you,
Thank you
both
so
of you.
much. Thank you, everyone. Thank you so much. Bye. Take care. All the
Bye,
best.
guys. So, guys, thanks everybody who's been there. I truly, truly, truly appreciate all of y'all coming in and showing your support. I can't tell you how flooded my inbox is. I've been getting WhatsApps, phone calls that I've missed, just people congratulating. And I want to sincerely thank Mehek and Priya. It's so rare to find people who are so genuine, honest, and simple in today's world, especially in an industry that is so glamorous. And I'm so lucky to have, come across the both of them in my journey. So thank you, everyone. Thank you, Mehek and Priya. Love you both. Can't wait to meet you both in person. Bye, guys.